Welcome to part 2. We've discussed your physical space and your body. Now, we must talk about the most invisible part of your environment, your digital life. Your digital space is just as physiological as your desk. A cluttered phone is a high-speed hack of your primitive survival systems. Your brain didn't evolve for push notifications. Every ping signals your amygdala to pay attention, often long before you consciously choose to. This is variable ratio reinforcement. Like a slot machine, the uncertainty of a notification, is it a like or just a ping, keeps your dopamine levels in constant anticipation. It's not the reward that hooks you, it's the wait. Your brain burns glucose just anticipating the next hit, leaving you exhausted by midday. Over time, your brain downregulates its receptors to protect itself. This is dopamine debt. It's why low-stimulation tasks, like reading, feel so difficult. You might think you're multitasking, but your brain is actually rapid task switching, and every switch comes with a massive biological tax. Research shows that switching back and forth between tasks can cost you up to 40% of your productive time. You're literally burning your brain's fuel. Even a brief glance at your phone leaves a part of your mind stuck on that last notification. We call this attentional residue. It takes an average of over 23 minutes to regain deep focus after a single interruption. Think about how often you interrupt yourself. In the early 2000s, our attention span was over 2 minutes. Today, it's dropped to an average of just 47 seconds. We are physically losing our ability to stay present, but we can rewire this. First, we need to understand the social brain. Your brain is wired to care what others think. It's a survival mechanism that processes social approval as physical safety. When you get a like, your nucleus accumbens, the heart of your reward circuit, lights up. Your brain thinks you've just found a life-saving resource. Then there are mirror neurons. These are the cells that fire both when you do something and when you watch someone else do it. They are your empathy circuit. But digital screens lack the full sensory data our mirror neurons need. We get the dopamine of connection without the physiological regulation of it. This is why scrolling is so addictive. You are internalizing others' actions, reinforcing your own reward pathways without you ever moving a muscle. We shift our social norms based on what we see. We are literally learning how to be from digital influences rather than physical social circles. To fix this, we need to apply the same rules of decluttering to our digital world. We must strengthen our top-down control. The tool, the notification audit. If it isn't from a real human being, it shouldn't be allowed to buzz in your pocket. Turn off the badges and the pings. By reducing these bottom-up stimuli, you allow your brain's attentional control to recover. You are strengthening your focus through applied neuroplasticity. A chaotic home screen triggers the same cortisol spike as a messy house. Decluttering your digital space is a physiological intervention. Use the 1% rule here too. Unsubscribe from 5 newsletters today. Delete 1 folder of old apps. Small wins lead to a massive shift in focus. Small digital resets, repeated daily, will make you 37 times more focused by the end of the year. It's about protecting your biology. Your life is a total ecosystem. When you declutter your space, your body, and your digital world, you create a landscape where you can thrive. Every choice is a vote for your identity. You are becoming someone who respects their attention. You are becoming someone who is truly free. Regulation isn't a destination. It's a daily practice. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your biology follow your lead. Thank you for being here.